Okay, boys and girls, I'm just going to show you how I how I figured out this magic square. Okay, there are videos about it on YouTube. You can investigate if you want, okay, but I'll just show you how I did it. In a magic square, all of the rows, columns, and diagonals add up to the same number. In this case, our number is 15, okay? I've written out the numbers without a decimal point, okay? It's the same problem, except in the book it asks you to do 0.1, 0.2 and add up to 1.5. It's the exact same, okay? I just think it's easier to do without the decimal point. So 5 is the middle of all these numbers, okay? We're going to make sense that we put it in the middle. Now, there needs to be 4 combinations involving 5 that add up to 15. Because if 5 is in the middle, it needs this column here needs to add up to 15. This row needs to add up to 15. This diagonal and this diagonal both need to add up to 15, okay? So I have written out the 4 ways that we can make 15 using the 5. Right? We know that 5 plus 10 is 15, so basically I just paired up these numbers to make 10. Okay, each of those pairs make 10. Now we have to figure out the way to put them into the magic square. Now the best way to do this is trial and error. Okay, I gave you it if you've already looked at the answer sheet and you needed hints to do it. The first hint I gave you was put 5 in the middle. The second hint I gave you was to put the even numbers in the corners. Okay, so to get the even numbers in the corners, that means that we need to, these are the ones with the even numbers, that means they'll be in the diagonals. Okay, now if I didn't give you that hint, you just need to trial and error. Okay, you just need to try something. If it didn't work, try something else, right? This is one solution. There are 8 different ways that you can fill in the numbers, but basically they're all, it's like inversions or reflections of the same numbers, okay? So I'm going to put this one that way, just because. Okay? So I've done that one. I'm going to put this one that way. So let me see, 5 plus 2 plus 8. Now, I might get this one wrong, so I'll put it down here. I'm going to put, maybe I'll do 8 plus 2, right? And then we have to see, will these work out? So 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 9 is 15, so I'll put a 9 here. Now I have 9 plus 5 is 14, plus 1 is 15. Check, does this work? 6 plus 1 plus 8 is 15, very good. 2 plus 9 is 11, plus 4 is 15, very good. Now I just need to see, can we get the last ones to work? 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 7 is 15. 8 plus 4 is 12, plus 3 is 15. And then I just check the last one, 7 plus 5 is 12, plus 3 is 15. So my magic square is complete. Okay, now I had to think about that before I did this board, right? I didn't just do it that quick. I had to think about it and try and figure it out. The main key is that 5, the middle number, goes in the middle, right? And then after that, you can use trial and error. I did give you another hint that the even numbers go in the corner. Okay, but this is really important as well. Figuring out the 4 different ways that you can make 15 using the central number, the number 5. Okay.